Perfect. So we can now start with our call. As I got the confirmation, like most of the confirmed teams have joined this call. All right, perfect. So first of all, I would like to welcome everyone for your achievement, and you have achieved and got this thing. Okay, got this opportunity, and I feel like I most probably I had taken your previous orientation, I think so. So, but anyway, I've got the opportunity to take your onboardings also. So, anyhow, I'll be giving you the information. All right. So, first of all, over here we will be going off with some important notes like what exactly you need to do and how you'll be processed with the project and how the whole things will be happening. Okay, as you know, our training partner is IntelliQ, and one second. So over here in this call, we'll be going ahead with first like I'll be giving you the information about the company, and accordingly we'll be moving ahead with the the domains that you have got to know, and accordingly like what will be the type of projects and what are the expectations that will be there from the project manager or with the reviewer that means what they can expect and what you are supposed to do with that. So that all things are there. Okay, so accordingly, we'll be moving ahead. And by the end of this call, we'll be going ahead with the badgings. So badgings are necessary because it will be your virtual identity that will be capturing, and accordingly, your attendance and all will be taken automatically by that. Okay, so that is what will be the agenda for today's session. Okay, first of all, I'd like to welcome everyone over in this call and welcome to Axlero. And accordingly, like you have been chosen out of 7,000 to 8,000 people those who have applied for. Okay, so it's really creating means you have done something. Okay, we have seen like some ignition over on your candidature, then only you have got this thing. Okay, so accordingly we'll start. Just a second, let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible. Perfect. Perfect. So, as you know, my name is Satvik, and I'm currently working as a senior engineering manager over here. And I'm closely over on to the software development side, okay, but not in the cybersecurity domain and all. But yeah, I do manage the teams, cross teams. Like, see, the thing is, like, if any project is coming, so that project is not being built by a single team. Okay, it is required for the development. It is required for the cross team engineering should be there, and accordingly, it should be like means we need to means understand it, and accordingly means let's say if the development part is there with web development, so we need to go ahead with the UI UX designer or developer or the engineering manager or the engineers over there who will be deciding what to place. Okay, so accordingly we are there to like do it accordingly. But the thing is, your trainings will be not happening like that. Your trainings will be individual. Like whatever your domain is, you will be going ahead with your domain only. Okay, and according to your domain, you will be getting all of the knowledge, and you will be working on to your part first, so that you can learn the system first. Okay, and as you know, like what the recruiters want and demand, so accordingly we will be going ahead. Okay, and we'll be solving up the biggest gap that is there over in means the education as well as the corporates, that for that to solving that we need to more focus over onto the quality as well as your consistency part. Okay, consistency is completely up to you. You need to be consistent over in the calls, over in the meetings that we do provide. Okay, and accordingly whatever the sessions that will be scheduled by IntelliQ, that you need to take care of. Okay, you need to join, you need to understand. If not understood, you need to ask them the doubt. Okay, and accordingly you need to go ahead with that. Okay, there will be no exception for that. Okay, in case like you are not able to attend the session or something, you need to go ahead with the recorded version of it. Okay, so recorded version will be shared by your managers. Okay, they will be giving you the recorded version, and accordingly you will be going ahead with that. And just do not keep any backlogs. Okay, if you are keeping any backlogs, then it will be a hectic site for you to understand, like, yeah, what exactly to do now. Okay, because every day some new things will be happening, and if you are having the backlog, then it will be creating a back forward race for you. Okay, like if something is left, you will not be able to understand the forward things. Okay, if by any chance you understand the things that are being covered over into the coming session or in the current session, so in that case means when you are under the development side, then you will be missing out those things. Okay, so try not to keep any backlog either in development, either in trainings also. Okay, so that you will be fulfilled from all sides. Okay, and the efforts that you will be doing, first thing you will be going at with like first the trainings. Okay, these trainings will be conducted from IntelliQ. They will be sharing out the syllabus and all. Okay, and you will be getting out your project details and all of the things after this call. Means you can expect it by like in within few days you will be receiving your team details and your project details, and accordingly you can start pondering with it. Pondering means you will be having your week wise deliverables. Okay, so every 2 weeks there will be the review. Okay, review means like either the project manager, either the project owner can uh, ask you for the review. Okay, and accordingly and accordingly you will be going ahead with the thing. Okay, so uh, I know, like, what most of you are thinking right now. Okay, some of you might be excited, some of you are might be like nervous, some of you are wondering, will I survive this thing or not? Okay, and some of you are already thinking, like, I hope they don't ask me to write a code in day one or something like that. And I can almost guarantee, like, at least one person in this whole meeting is wondering, can I still switch to data science or something like that? Means reconfirmation. So relax, take a deep breath. Okay, nobody expect you to know everything. Okay, if we wanted experts, okay, we would have hired senior engineer. Okay, you are interns, so you are here to learn and make the things. Okay, so let's make one agreement. Okay, from the next 1 hour, forget your college, forget your CGPA, forget your percentage, forget your rankings, everything. Forget who topped in your class or something. Okay, because none of those define your success here. Here, your attitude matters more than your marks. Okay, I'll repeat that because it is very much important. Your attitude matters more than your marks. Okay, I have worked with many professionals, even students also, even I had worked with IITs who struggled in project. Okay, I have worked with the students from tier 3 college also who became amazing engineers. Okay, do you know why? Because success in engineering domain isn't determined by your college. Okay, it is totally determined by your mindset. Okay, so whoever here love coding, okay, it's good. Who is still figuring out whether they actually like coding, wait. Okay, thank you for being means very much honest. I can see the energy over in the thumbs up side. Okay, fine. And by the end of this whole program, you will know whether engineering is true for your passion or not. Like, I have seen many people who chooses engineering like out of not out of their interest. Okay, someone told, like, yeah, that's a safe place to go on, so do that and go ahead with your job, and that's all. No, the thing is, engineering wants your interest. Okay, if you're not interested in that subject, then definitely you'll not be getting anything. Okay, let me tell you a funny story. Okay, so a years ago, okay, a new intern joined a project. Okay, so on the first day, he accidentally pushed his experimental code to production. Okay, within minutes. Okay, the application to crashes and thousands of users couldn't access the platform, and everyone panicked. Like, the intern thought, like, my career is now over. Okay, he came to the engineering manager almost in tears. Okay, the manager smiled and said, "Congratulations." The intern is looking like confused, like, why this thing is happening. The manager said, "You just learned a lesson you'll never forget today." And that intern is the director of engineering. Why? Because mistakes don't define engineers. Okay, learning from mistakes does. Okay, so throughout this whole internship, you will make mistakes, you will write bad codes. Okay, you will break the builds, you will forget semicolons, you will merge conflicts, you will probably push something wrong, and that's okay. Okay, just don't repeat the same mistake. Okay, I just want everyone to just think for 30 seconds. Okay, so now, like, ask yourself one question: why did I choose engineering? And your domain, whatever is, if it is web development, if it is cybersecurity, and if it is UI UX or anything. Okay, is it money? Is it passion? Is it parents? Is it curiosity? Is it AI? Is it job security? What's that? 30 seconds only. Perfect. Then now tell me, I just pick one of you. Okay, let me pick. Everyone is ready to be picked. Okay, I'll pick Priyansu Kumar. Are you there? Can you speak? Priyansu Kumar. Priyansu Kumar. Priyansu Kumar. Okay, is unable to speak, I think. Are you able to
Yeah.
speak? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell me, why did you choose your domain? Tell me. Tell me. Okay, I think like no one is responding for that. Okay, fine. We'll be going right. So whatever it is, if it is money, if it is person, anything. Okay, you have already started networking now. Okay, engineering isn't just coding. Okay, it's a collaboration that you need to know. And for those who don't means want to go or something like that, or is there a parent or something, some of the reason, you need to check yourself in this industry, will you be able to survive or not. Okay, if you're surviving, if you're gaining your interest onto that domain, then it's fine. If you're not, then you need to think of it. Okay, so as you know, because company don't hire people just to write the code or that, they hire people to solve the problems. Okay, there are huge difference. Like if I ask AI to generate a code, it can. Okay, if I ask AI to explain a concept, it can. If I ask AI to optimize a function, it can. Okay, so what actually makes you valuable, that is what we are going to do here. Okay, so as you know, like the condition of today's industry, okay, and accordingly where you are stepping up, so it is a bit challenging, because the concepts and everything will be useful over here, your consistency will be useful over here. So I'll be sharing some of the most important information that you need to adhere within this internship. Okay, first thing, you can definitely use AI, but not complete. Okay, you can ask them, see, use the AI like your labor. Okay, like if you need something, like let's say, yeah, get me that file from that folder. Okay, you are supposed to know, like, yeah, where is the location of that particular file. Okay, you should not ask AI like, yeah, find that file, or if not find, make it and give it to me. Okay, this is what you are just lying down and you are giving all the authorities to them. Okay, then you will not be learning and understanding. Okay, engineering first needs your understanding, then innovation. Okay, you can innovate by using those things. Okay, do not give all the things to them. Okay, and definitely you can use the AI and speed up your work. Okay, and the commits. Okay, so we are working for 20 days per month. Okay, 20 days are there. Okay, excluding the holidays, if any holidays are there, you will be notified for that. Okay, so for 20 days you need to have 20 days of commit, not commit history. Okay, that will be checked. So 20 days of commits if you are having, then only your review will be taken, because that determines your productivity. Okay, if your productivity scores are down, then your quality and that all scores, everything will be on the not applicable side. Okay, so understand and accordingly give it. Okay, got it? Perfect. So this is a very important point. And third, if you are absent or something, or the review or something, or anything, or like any of the session, or if you are not working for one day and that is a working day, then you need to drop a mail to HR and get the confirmation out of it, so that we can give you the exception. Okay, an exception, all the exception, like, yeah, today I'm going to market and I'll not be working, that will not be working. Okay, because this is where this is the build up phase, so where we need your support to build you. Okay, if you are not supporting for building you, then it will be very difficult for us to go ahead. Okay, so we really require your support. Okay, without your support we'll not be able to cope up. Okay. All right, perfect. So now, one more important thing that you need to take care of, like, as what all requests to HR will be approving, I am just telling you right away for you specifically. If there is an exam, if the exam is on 7th July, means tomorrow, so you need to mail by today. Like, yeah, tomorrow is my examination. Well, oh, tomorrow I will not be working. So that day will be exception for you. Okay. So one exam is on 7th and the next exam is on 10th. So you'll not be getting out the leave for 8 and 9. Okay. It will not be clubbed. Okay. And accordingly, you need to give the things. And for any medical emergency on the same day, you need to mail with the proof. Okay. And for the examination also, you need to paste the official proof. Okay. On the mail. And that will be available for us to give you the exception. Okay, so this all things you need to follow, and accordingly you need to follow the GitHub policy. Okay, that is very strict. Okay, we are really strict on it because contributions are the thing, like what we are supposed to give that data to client for to hire you. Okay, so if you are not working on it, then everything is wasted. Okay, we can't claim like, yeah, he haven't worked his means he has worked on his own system, but the proof is not there, but the product is complete. This will never be working. Okay, please try to understand with that. Okay, so everyday productivity, everyday committing over on Git means every day of commit should be there, and that's it. Okay, so now one more important thing that you need to take care of is, like, on your third month you'll be going ahead with the certification with devs india. Okay, so on your third month, within that, before that, you need to offer those who want to go ahead with that, they can ask the coupons from their manager. Okay, you can just ask them, they will be giving you the coupon, and you need to process it onto your first day of your third month. Okay, so that by 10 or 15 days you'll be completing your certification and accordingly going ahead with the other process. Okay, be with the process and go with the instruction that is provided to you today. Okay, rest everything is all yours. Okay, I hope I was clear. Perfect, perfect, thank you so much for your patience. So now we can go ahead with the badging session. So badgings, as I've already explained you, that is all about. Yeah, one more thing that I need to share. Your trainings will be done after 6:30 p.m. every day. Okay, so whenever you receive the trainings mail, like mail or joining link or something, you need to join it within the time. Okay, the time frame is like before 5 minutes. You need to join the call so that accordingly within when the time begins, the trainer can start with its agenda. Okay, because we have limited time, and as you know, like why we have chosen IntelliQ is due to they are not the trainers. They are the currently they are working onto the MNC. So we need to respect their time also. And accordingly, by respecting everyone's time, by your time and their time, the meetings will be scheduled. And you just need to join, go ahead with your session, understand thing. If you're not understanding, ask doubts. Okay, if you're asking doubts, if at that point of time, if the trainer is not able to give the point, then they will be mentioning that and they will be clarifying you or giving you the document onto the coming session. Okay, and accordingly, develop yourself. Okay. All right. Perfect. Thank you for your cooperations. So now we'll be moving forward with the badging. So badgings are related is required for your attendance first. Okay. And accordingly for your virtual identity with us. Okay. So that all things we will be sharing up with the teams. Okay. With the teams means with our clients, with our means wherever you are going to be placed. Okay, so please bear with it. So everyone needs to turn on your cam and everyone needs to join this call with your registered mail ID, which you have used to sign up at Axlero. Okay, perfect. Then please turn on your cams. Requesting everyone to turn on so that we can start with the process. All right, thank you so much for your confirmation. Now you can turn off your cam. Perfect. Perfect. So the expectations and all things that I have discussed that you need to keep in mind and accordingly go ahead with that. And these things are assured whatever that we have given and we have told that we will be giving on. Okay. And for any confusions, you can directly mail us. Okay, at support team. Okay, we'll be solving. Okay, no any other teams will be solving your problem because they are our partner as like as you call IntelliQ as well as Devs India. They are the partners. Okay, we are having multiple products running across with them. So they are the partners. Means the let's say our payment and all to goes ahead with the Devs India's payment portal. Okay, so you can just escalate the problems and if any queries are there to us, okay, we are there to solve it for that. Okay, they will not be able to cooperate with it. And for any training issues, you can directly mail to support for IntelliQ. Okay, and definitely. And if it is not being escalated by IntelliQ, then you can escalate it to us. We will be checking on from the backend as well as we'll be doing the RC and accordingly solving that issues. Okay, hope no any issues will be there as we are there on each and every loop. So we'll be there. Thank you. Thank you so much everyone for joining this call and best of luck for your future endeavors.